Tell the DJ turn it up, bet the DJ bring it back. Tell him play that shit again, tell him that you like that, like that. Oh,
Trey, I ain't got but 2 reasons to be here, man. All the bottles pop a bottle.
I know it's somebody's birthday right now, right now, right now. It's somebody getting drunk too right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Catch me in the club like I own that boom. Got her dancing like she own that boom. Bad bitch, never hold back. Send me a picture where your phone at. I only came here for 2 reasons. I only came for the ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks for the came for the ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks. Baby, baby, get your glass up. Only came for the ladies and the drinks. Baby, get your glass up. That's what I came for. I see you tryna handcuff on the street.
Stop tripping, you can't control it like a freak.
Ain't nobody got a body like hers. Get no booty, but she came from the birds. Got a dark-skinned girl dancing on me. 2 white girls dancing on me. Bad yellow bone, yeah, I'm in my zone. Wait, just keep coming back, so you know we hella gone. I only came here for 2 reasons. I only came for the ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks for the came for the ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks. Baby, what you came for? Baby, get your glass up. Only came for the ladies and the drinks. Baby, get your glass up. Only came, yo. Ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks for the. You know what I came for? The ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks, ladies and the drinks. Baby, you know what I came for? Baby, get your glass up. Only came for the ladies and the drinks. Baby, get your ass up. That's what I came for. Hey girl, you heard what I said, get your ass up. You hot, you cold, you Florida, Alaska, Chicago, Virginia, New York City, Houston, where the girls all thick, LA, yeah, babe, tell your girl about this. Matter of fact, tell her whole GA. Ooh, you know they fine up and down the Carolinas. Shop to every 10 I see when I'm down in Tennessee. I only came here for 2 reasons. I can't lie. I only came for the ladies and the drinks,